Hello everybody and welcome to Algebra 1 with Mr. Chavez. So now what we're going to do is use the quadratic function in order for us to find the axis of symmetry, and that is going to help us find the vertex and the y-intercept. Let's go ahead and get started. So first thing is we're going to use the formula of axis of symmetry, which is x is equal to negative b over 2a. Now with this, what we're going to do is substitute our a and our b. So remember, a is equal to positive 1, b is equal to negative 4, and c is equal to positive 5. Now that we identify this, let's go ahead and substitute. So we have x equals negative, our b value is going to be negative 4, 2, our a value is going to be positive 1, and if we start simplifying this, we know negative times a negative is a positive, so I have a positive 4 on top. 2 times positive 1 gives you positive 2, and this could be reduced to 2. So now my axis of symmetry is x equals 2. Now with this information, we're going to go ahead and find the vertex. So what we're going to do is substitute the axis of symmetry into the quadratic function. So it's going to be y equals x squared minus 4x plus 5. And we're going to substitute x equals 2 into all the x's. So we have y equals 2 squared minus 4 times 2 plus 5. And we're going to go ahead and simplify this. So we have y equals 2 squared would be 4. Negative 4 times 2 gives you negative 8 and plus 5. Finally, it's going to be 4 minus 8 gives you negative 4 plus 5. So then y is equal to negative 4 plus 5 gives you negative 1. Now, since I found my axis of symmetry and the output of the axis of symmetry, I'm able to write the vertex, which would be x is 2, and my y value is negative 1. So this right here would be my vertex. Now we found the axis of symmetry and the vertex. Let's go ahead and find the y-intercept. For the y-intercept, I'm still going to use the quadratic function. But one thing you have to remember, the y-intercept, the x value is always going to be 0. So what we're going to do is substitute 0 in for x. So 0 squared minus 4 times 0 plus 5. So y is equal to 0 squared would be 0. Negative 4 times 0 gives you 0 plus 5. So my final answer would be y is equal to 5. So my y-intercept would be 0, 5. So now, we learned how to find the axis of symmetry using the axis of symmetry formula. And this helped us find the vertex. And we also found the y-intercept. If you have any questions, please let me know.